Hello, my friends. Elias here with DG Construction, your best option. And we are at day number 15 right here at the ADU construction in La Mesa. The electricians already went home for the day. Right now it's like 1 o'clock. They came half a day today and they make a couple of the connections that they still need to do. They still need to come back tomorrow for half a day to finish everything. They still have a couple connections right there without doing. Plumber didn't came because it was gonna be too many crews right here, but the AC guy came and he's running all the ducting right now. So going to be a central unit, so every room is going to have a duct feeding that room. That's gonna be more comfortable for whoever's living right here. And they already have our furnace unit right there on top. Everything is installed right there already. They already run all our copper pipes right there. They are running the insulated copper pipes right there, and the unit is gonna be on that corner on the outside. We have the unit right here on top, our platform. We still need to have a light right there, so in case of any kind of a repair, the code says that we need something right there. They need to solder all the pipings together, so they're gonna have to come back tomorrow. All the registers right here need to be attached with a 2x4, so they are more sturdy than what it is right now. The plan is to call for inspection on the framing and the combo. That way we can wrap everything in waterproof, the ceiling and the walls. For now, that's everything. We are at day number 16 right here in a construction of ADU in La Mesa. Electrical is done completely. The plumbing completely done. Right here we have our box for the washer and dryer, P-trap, vent, everything already filled with water. So we're ready for the inspection. All the vents are done. Shower bulb is installed already. We have nail plates all the way that we need them. We have all the preparations for the sink already. Right there, the kitchen sink is done as well. A lot of nail plates right there. To finish the mechanical, we need to do the AC as well. So we have all the ducting ready, the supply boxes, whatever they're gonna be. In every room we have one. Same thing right here on the bathroom. You can see the one on the bathroom. And we have the unit on top and everything set up. Framers tomorrow are going to finish the sheeting, all the plywood. And then we're gonna have that cut into the plywood, and we're gonna have the flashing installed again. The copper pipe as well being pressurized and tested, so we are ready again for inspection whenever we have it. Tomorrow my framer should be done with the roof and the shear. Right here, all the structural is done, but I like to cover all the walls, so my stucco guy doesn't have much problem doing it, and it's more like it's even sturdier to have the plywood on the exterior. So I like to do it like that. And as soon as he finished those two things, we are ready for inspection. All the mechanical is done. Framing is like 80% done. And we're moving along. Hello my friends, at day 17 we are finishing the framing. Right now I have my big hat because it's very sunny right here in La Mesa. We are finishing with all the outside plywood, everything that is structural, and we are doing the roofing now. In this particular case, we're not gonna do any kind of a shiplap right here on the end because the plans are calling for stucco. So we're gonna have to do a soffit with stucco, and same thing, the fascia is gonna be stucco. That's why you see a lip like a 7/8 of an inch of the plywood right there, because that's what is calling for stucco. All the exterior shear are done. Right here we did a change on the front entrance. It did call on the plans for a French door. but myself and the owner thought that a 36-inch door will serve best right here because of the size of the unit. We have a sliding door right here, so it's gonna be a big opening, so we don't think we need more loose space right here. This wall is gonna be a structural wall as well, so it did have a sheeting right here on the inside. Right here, because this wall is gonna be structural and I cannot do any kind of holes or anything. Usually that wall is the one that has the niche right here in on the shower. I'm gonna have to do some kind of a change on this wall on the plumbing so we can create a niche on the wall right here. Probably move this stud a little bit. We probably move the vent a little to the left so we can create a niche right here in the center. Whenever you start construction, things change once you are here. You make plans and you make a schedule and everything with the idea of having the least changes possible. That always happens. There's some things that once you're here, you see that that is better than whatever is called in the plans. The framing stage between 3 guys, 2 carpenters and a labor, they're gonna nail it in 3.5 days. Day number 19, construction of the ADU in La Mesa. We are installing the windows. Basically all the framing is done, roofing, sheeting, everything is done. We're gonna have to put the plywood right there on top. We are preparing for the framing inspection, and for that windows and doors need to be installed, as well as all the vents. This particular case is we require 2 vents, one right there and one on the other side, and 3 vents right there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the other side. The plans are required to have these special vents that are fire rated. These kind of vents are not typical Home Depot vents. You want to make sure to order this ahead because for instance on these vents they did have 3 weeks lead time, so you don't want to have your schedule messed up because you're missing something like that. So make sure that you order them beforehand if you need something special. We're still missing a couple posts right here. These ones that you see right here is they're just to hold the temporary roof right here. We need to have a post and then pour the small foundation right here. So right here we're gonna have our panel on this area, so they're running all the home runs to this. Plumbing is completely done. My AC guy already run my ventilations for the dryer, same thing as the ventilation for the fan right here on the bathroom, and the ventilation for the microwave right here on top of the stove. I'm gonna give them today and tomorrow to do all the pickup, putting all the screws right there and nuts on the hold downs, cleaning, taking this out, completely be ready for the inspection, framing and mechanical at the same time. Between today and tomorrow, have everything ready. Day number 20 right here on our ADU construction in La Mesa. Today we already have all the windows in, sliding door right here on the front, you'll see right now, and we have the electrical meter. They are installing right now the service mast. We have to be at least 3 feet, but we're deciding if we want to leave it a little higher, so whenever the San Diego Gas and Electric comes, they're gonna have to come from here, this point right there, to here. So we might want to leave a little bit more so it's as high as possible. Our sliding window is in, and our front entrance, we still need to do the waterproofing around it. They're gonna put all the wiring right now into the service. We're gonna call for inspection right now and have it by tomorrow. The inspector is coming usually around 10-11 o'clock, so we have enough time to do any kind of a pickup today and tomorrow if needed. After that inspection, we can start insulation, and we're gonna do the waterproofing of the shower. Then we can go ahead with all the roofing and stucco on the outside. Something that I check all the time that I'm here before this inspection as well is that we have the required nail plates. A hole like this that is in the center don't require nail plates on the side, but there's some holes that are a little bit more to the edge of the stud right here, because we use 1.25 inch drywall nails. If we don't put like right here, it's very small gap, and if we put a nail, it could easily go to the AVS pipe. You don't want that. That's why you want nail plates. And something very important that he's gonna come and check that we don't have yet, but I have the material to do it, is every hole that is going into the attic, it needs to have a red foam, fireproof foam right there, so it's tight with any kind of air coming through the attic in case of a fire. So that's very important. Around the windows and doors we need foam, but it's gonna be just the regular jello foam just to fill cracks. Oh, something else, we need to the vents right here, 2 vents, one in each side, and the vents on the under right here. At the end of the day, we should be ready for the inspection. We just have a very good surprise. The inspector usually comes around 10, 11 o'clock, but this morning he came 8, 10. He passed everything. He gave us the okay to start with the insulation today and the lat for the stucco. We are gonna clean a little bit what we have right now, so we have a clean sheet so we can start with the insulation. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go and wrap the insulation for the guys right now and come back so they can start working. So we have everything that we need for today right here. Insulation and a couple metals, and we're gonna buy a stapler. Okay, so ready to go to the job site again. We are at day number 22 right here in La Mesa ADU. I'm gonna show you right now what we did today, and I'm gonna show you a little hiccup that we have today on our scheduling. Most of our insulation is done. We have a couple of spaces because my electrician needed to run a cable for the stove right there, and my homeowner want to hang the TV right here, and he still need to run some pipe right there for the cable TV or whatever they need to run. 95% of the insulation is done, but I wanted to show you something right here. It's important that I let you guys know that there's some things that can delay your schedule in construction. You have hiccups all the time. Not everything goes smooth as planned. So long story short, I asked my concrete guy to have this recess 2 inches from the usual slab that we're having, from the level of the slab that we're having, and I guess he didn't finish the way that it's supposed to be finished. The slab, I told him a couple times, but I'm not sure what happened. I don't want to really know what happened, but the issue is that we didn't go 2 inches from my level what I needed. The reason being is because this is going to be a EDA compliance shower, so we're gonna have the same level tile right here and on the shower. My hot map was scheduled for today. He came, it wasn't done, and he couldn't do it, so we rescheduled for tomorrow. And one of my laborers is doing the chipping of the concrete, so we have the same level, and we're gonna have to lower my drain one more inch, so we have at least 2 inches of slope. You need to know that these things happen. Tomorrow I have the drywallers scheduled. My insulation guy is gonna come in the morning, early in the morning, so he can finish those couple areas. And on the meantime, the drywall guys are gonna be stacking the materials right here in the inside of the ADU, and they will start around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's it for now. Just so you know that I'm not showing just the good stuff. We are going very fast right here. We have a very good pace, but things happen, so I just want to show you everything. I'm gonna try to be as clear and as transparent as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, any concerns, if you feel that these videos are helping you and you want to help me, please share them with your friends, somebody that might want to build one of these units, and I will appreciate. Thank you very much. Have a great day.